Hey designers, welcome back to PX Mentor, your home for creative Figma tips and UI animations. Today, we're going to create a beautiful animated space globe using Figma. And yes, it's 100% done inside Figma without any external tools. Earth emoji, star emoji. Let's jump right in.
Open Figma and select the frame. Add a rectangle and adjust the size to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Open Figma plugins and type Unsplash. Now the Unsplash plugin opens. Click on the search bar and type space. Select the rectangle and apply the space image from Unsplash to it. Select the rectangle and move it below the frame. Make a copy of this frame. Select the frame and change the Fill option to Crop because we will animate the space image and adjust its position. Do the same for the second frame as well. Select both frames and create a component set. Open Prototype, select After Delay, and set the delay and duration. Do the same for the second frame as well. Copy the instance, place it into a frame, and play the prototype. You'll notice the animation speed is very fast. Now open the prototype settings again and adjust the delay and duration. Play the prototype again and check the result. Next, select the frame and adjust the corner radius to make it a circle. Go to Google and select a map image, then paste it into Figma. Add the map image inside the frame to create a circular globe using Figma effects. Now make a copy of the circular globe. Select both frames and create a component set. Then set the interaction. Copy the Unsplash instance and convert it into a frame. Copy the instance of the circular globe and paste it into the Unsplash instance frame. Finally, select the frame and play the prototype.
You can preview in small screen size as well.